Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can write something under your name on Discord. So let's start by going to user settings over here in the bottom left corner. Now go to profiles and then you have your user profile where you can write something about yourself over here. You can use a markdown and links if you wish to do so. So let's say I'm gonna write subscribe to my channel. After that, you can press save changes in order to finalize the process. However, if you want to, and if you have Discord Nitro, you can also change your server profile. So we can switch to server profiles over here. Now you can select a server for which you want to change your details. And then if you, like I said, have Discord Nitro, you can write something else for your profile for that server. So you can have various profiles and different descriptions about yourself on different servers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.